Hi guys, welcome to Unique Bio classes based on NCERT syllabus. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications as soon as videos are getting uploaded. Okay, I shall start my today's class. In my today's class, I am having here about the NEET May 2019 question paper. As in previous video, we have discussed about two videos which are based on a NEET syllabus, NEET May 2019. In that, first 9 questions have been discussed. Now the one who is new to this channel, you have to observe those two videos, then you come to this channel so that for your better understanding. Okay, we shall start with the 10th one. Match the following hormones with respective diseases, which means they have given one column of hormones and another column of diseases. So in this first column, in that they have given about first as a hormone insulin. This hormone insulin, it is produced by a gland. Which gland? Pancreas. Okay, insulin is produced by pancreas. So this pancreas, they are producing insulin, and insulin is used for diabetes. Here you can find two diabetes are there. One is diabetes insipidus, another one is diabetes mellitus. First we shall see diabetes mellitus is what? It is loss of glucose through urine. Loss of glucose through urine. So this one you have studied in your first year syllabus, loss of glucose through urine. So this is diabetes mellitus, which is most common you can find, and this insulin which has been taken by the patients, that is for diabetes mellitus, where glucose is lost through urine. Next one we have diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus is nothing but it is a disorder of salt and water metabolism. It is disorder of salt and water metabolism. Okay, disorder of salt and water metabolism, which is not this one body cannot regulate body fluids, and this pancreas could not regulate body fluids. For that, diabetes insipidus we call. But normally insulin is used to regulate glucose level in the body. So for that, the correct option will be, that is diabetes mellitus. This diabetes insipidus, especially you can find in children, the newborn babies who all are having diabetes, they will be having diabetes insipidus. For those, insulin does not work. Okay, next you have thyroxine. Thyroxine, this is a hormone produced by thyroid gland. Okay, thyroid gland is producing thyroxine. Thyroid gland is having follicular cells. These follicular cells are producing two types of hormones. One is T3, another one is T4. One is triiodothyronine. Triiodothyronine. Another one is tetraiodothyronine. Now this triiodo and this tetraiodothyronine is also called as thyroxine. Okay, these are the two hormones which is produced by thyroid gland. Now related to thyroid gland, what is this? They have given Addison's, diabetes, acromegaly, goiter, diabetes mellitus. So goiter is the correct option for thyroid gland, because this thyroid gland tetraiodothyronine, it is deficiency of iodine. If there is a deficiency of iodine, then what happens? If there is a deficiency of iodine, then there is a hypothyroidism and enlargement of thyroid gland. Hypothyroidism will cause. Hypothyroidism is what? Hypothyroidism means that is low secretion of thyroid gland. Hypothyroidism, because of hypo means low secretion of thyroid gland. What thyroid gland is secreting? Thyroid gland is secreting thyroxine. If this is not there, then what happens? Enlargement of thyroid gland takes place. For that we call it as goiter. Okay, when does this occur? In the deficiency of iodine, when iodine is not getting properly to the thyroid gland. So this one is goiter. Next, corticoids. Corticoids are the hormones which are produced by adrenal gland. Okay, adrenal gland is producing this hormone called as corticoids, and by the name of the gland itself you can identify that it is Addison's disease. Okay, So Addison's disease, it is C. What is Addison's disease, or what is it is known as? Addison's disease is also called as hypocortisolism. Hypocortisolism. Now hypocortisolism means what? Cortisol is nothing but a hormone produced by adrenal gland. Hypo means low, which means this adrenal gland secretion is low. Adrenal gland is secreting low amount of hormone, and then it results in Addison's disease. So what happens in Addison's disease? It is a disorder in which adrenal gland don't produce enough hormones. Okay, Addison's disease, it is a kind of a disorder in which adrenal gland don't produce any hormones. For that we call it as Addison's disease. Hope you are pausing the video and copying what is I am saying. Okay, so this one we have given it as C. Okay, next last one we have growth hormone. Growth hormones, as you know, first it is produced by pituitary gland. Okay, growth hormone, it is produced by pituitary gland. Growth hormone, now what has been left? Diabetes insipidus, already we said it is not there. So the next left one is acromegaly. Acromegaly means what? Acromegaly is a disorder in adults in which pituitary gland produces too much growth hormone. When there is a production of growth hormone in large amount in adults, then it results in acromegaly. Okay, hope you got this. In your textbook it has been given about gigantism. Gigantism is also when there is a secretion of more growth hormone, then body grows abnormally, especially in children. For that we call it as gigantism. If growth hormone is produced in a large amount, then it results in abnormal growth of the body. In adults we call it as acromegaly. Acromegaly for adults, gigantism for younger one, that is children's. Okay, so hope you got all the answers here. So now we shall select the correct option. Okay, first one, insulin A is matching with the fifth one. Okay, so we shall search for that here. Select the correct option. 4 options are there, and A with fifth, you can find first is second, then fifth, then second, then fifth. So 2 options are eliminated. Which are those 2 options? That is first and third one, second and fourth one. These 2 have been left with us. Okay, we shall see the rest all. Second one is thyroxine B with 4. Okay, B with 4, B and with 4. So you can find second is having 4 and fourth is having only 1. So 1 is Addison disease, which is not matching. Now fourth option is also eliminated. We have left with 1, but we shall check the rest options also. Corticoids. Corticoids is C. It is matching with what? It is matching with the first one. C with first one. And D with D. What you have? D with acromegaly, that is D with third. D with third. So which option is correct? Second option. This is the correct option. Okay, correct answer for this question. Now this question has been arised from the first year syllabus, the last chapter, and this question you will get from page number 332. Okay, page number 332. Not all, because all hormones are in different areas, different glands, that in the last chapter, page number 332, which starts from there, you can search for all those except this Addison disease. Rest all you will get. Okay, then we shall proceed with the next question. In the next question we have, which of the following statement is incorrect? Which statement is incorrect? You have to read the question properly. Which one is wrong statement? That you have to choose. Claviceps is a source of many alkaloids and LSD. Claviceps is a fungi which comes under Ascomycetes. It is a source, which means claviceps are producing alkaloids and LSD. If you remember, second year students who have already written the exam, who have crossed the syllabus, they might be knowing that LSD is produced by claviceps. Okay, LSD is what? Lysergic acid diethylamide. Lysergic acid diethylamide is the name of this LSD. Okay, so this is the correct statements, but wrong answer. Claviceps is a source of many alkaloids and LSD. Yes, claviceps are producing alkaloids and LSD. Next, second statement is what? Conidia are produced exogenously and ascospores endogenously. Conidia are produced, exo means outside, endo means inside. As you have seen in the first chapter of second year syllabus, I have uploaded one of the video, that is asexual reproductive structures. In that you can find conidia are produced outside, ascospores are produced inside. But this is from the first year syllabus. Yeast have filamentous body with long thread-like hyphae. Now conidia are produced by penicillium. Penicillium is also a fungi. Okay, yeast is also a fungi, but yeast have filamentous body? No, yeast is unicellular. Except yeast, all other fungi have filamentous body with long thread-like hyphae. But here what they have given, yeast have filamentous body. So this is the wrong statement. So this one will be the correct answer. But we shall see the next one. Morels and truffles are edible delicacies. Yes, these are edible delicacies which are used as a food items. Okay. Now you can find first, second and fourth statement are correct. Only third statement is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? It has to be except yeast, all fungi have filamentous body with long thread-like hyphae. But here they have given yeast have filamentous body. So this is the correct answer, but wrong statement. Okay, so this one you will get from the page number 22. Okay, about yeast, page number 22. This statement you will get from page number 22, whereas rest of 3 statements you will get from page number 24. Okay, so this one is from your first year syllabus. Okay, we shall proceed with the next. Which of the following ecological pyramids is generally inverted? Which one is inverted? Okay, you can find two types of pyramid. One is upright, another one is inverted. These are the two types of pyramid. This one what we call upright, another one is inverted. Okay, upright and inverted. Okay, so here which of the following ecological pyramid is inverted? First one, pyramid of energy. Second is pyramid of biomass in a forest, pyramid of biomass in a sea, pyramid of numbers in a grassland. Okay, now this is from your second year syllabus. In this you can find in pyramid or in upright pyramid you will have this kind of levels. Is this producers, consumers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, like that you are giving. Here what happens, this is your inverted. Producers are down, then consumers, then primary consumers, then secondary consumers, like that it goes on. Here you can find the difference. Producers means plants are more. Here you can find plants are less. Okay, so where plants are more, in pyramid of energy we are getting energy from the plants, so always pyramid of energy is always upright. Okay, there is no chance of getting inverted. Pyramid of biomass in a forest is also upright. Pyramid of biomass is also upright. All pyramids, pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, in most of the ecosystem it is upright. Why? Because producers are more, then less than producers are consumers, less than consumers are primary consumers, less than primary consumers are secondary consumers. So that's why pyramid of energy, pyramid of biomass, a pyramid of number in a terrestrial ecosystem will be upright. Okay, whereas pyramid of biomass in a sea will be inverted. How it will be inverted? We said producers are less. Producers are what? Plants are less in an aquatic ecosystem, whereas consumers, fishes, are more in aquatic ecosystem. So that's why pyramid of biomass in sea is inverted. Okay, the pyramid of biomass, that biomass of fishes far exceeds that of phytoplankton. Okay, biomass of fishes is more compared to the plants. Phytoplankton means plants. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Now this question, it has been asked from your second year syllabus. In this question it is from page number 249. Page number 249 you will get the answer for this question. Okay, second year textbook. Next, select the hormone releasing IUDs. Okay, select the hormone releasing IUDs. In that, hormone releasing IUDs, here IUDs, intrauterine devices. Intrauterine devices are, first one, non-medicated IUDs. Okay, we have three types of IUDs, non-medicated IUDs. Second one is hormone releasing IUDs. Okay, and third one you have copper releasing IUDs. These are three different types of IUDs with different functions, right? This comes from the second year syllabus. From second year syllabus you have fourth chapter. From there you can get, if you wanted me to mention the page number also, I shall mention the page number 2, that is page number 60. Okay, I am making it very easy. Why I am saying this one is, you are going to give the answer in the comment box for this question. Okay, For second year students who have already attempted the exam, for those it will be very easy. The one who have not, because I have not completed this syllabus in the classes, so that's why the other students, for them I am giving the hint. Page number 60 of second year textbook, these are the three types of IUDs. In these three types of IUD, which are, there are example for hormone releasing IUDs, which are those two which are having hormone releasing IUDs. This one you are giving the answer in the comment box, then I shall give that answer. I shall check those answers and give that the correct answer for you all. Okay, so this is about today's class. If you like my channel, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and like. If you have any comments, if you have any queries, if you have any complaints regarding my video, please comment it in the comment box. You are always welcome. Okay, so I shall meet you in my next class. Stay safe, stay healthy.